Hello everybody. Today I'm excited to do another unboxing video. This time this package is from Blick Art Materials, and their website is dickblick.com. And let's get on with it. I ordered a few replacement paints. There are certain colors that I use a lot, and I run out of them more quickly than others. So let's see what we have here. This time I'm a little disappointed that I don't have bubble wrap, but this just does the job. So it's a box within a box. And more of this bubble stuff. Okay. So first one is light blue. I use this a lot because it contrasts nicely with cadmium orange and red. So I run out of it because I use so much of it. That's the first one. Here's the second one. By the way, these are 250 milliliters or 8.45 fluid ounces. And they are the larger size tubes. Because like I said, I do use these colors a lot. They're my favorite. This one is called Bright Aqua Green. It's kind of like a teal or a greenish turquoise color. Okay, that's tube number 3. And this one is called Brilliant Yellow Green. And this is a smaller tube. This is 4 fluid ounces or 118 milliliters. I'll compare the sizes. And here's the comparison between the 8.45 fluid ounce and the 4 fluid ounce. This is it's about half the size of this one. And this one I wanted to give this a try. This is called Transparent Mixing White. And I guess this is good to create see-through effects with colors if you want to make your colors more transparent without adding too much water. So I'm going to give this a try in one of my prints where I have so many layers. So this one again is 4 fluid ounces, and it's called Transparent Mixing White. So this is a small package, so I only have 4 tubes here. 2, 3,